Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make printable bookmarks in Canva and sell them over on Etsy. Or you can keep them yourself, print them out at home, yeah, and let's get into it, because if I'm over on Etsy now guys and I've typed in bookmark printable, yeah, and if you look, 14,800 people a month are searching for this, yeah. So if you just look, we can niche down a little bit. I'm just going to show you the general idea. I mean, look, you can make your own with like words on and like nice designs. You can make like colouring ones, yeah, like nice and easy colouring ones. Look, just repeating the image here, like that's how easy it is, guys. You can have some fun with these guys. They're not that hard, to be fair. But you can niche down. Like, let's come up here. If we go to I don't know. Halloween's coming up this month, 1st of October today, so Halloween. Look, 320 people are searching for this a month. So, like, look, nice and easy ones. Simple repeating the images and just making them look a bit good. Colouring ones as well, guys, yeah. Nice and easy colouring ones, a bit of text and a few images. Nice and easy, look at them, yeah. So these ones are dead easy as well. Let's go over to it, guys. Yeah. So come over to Etsy, and all I've done here, I've gone to Elements. Yeah. Let's type in Halloween. Right. Then we'll go to filter, but just make sure it's static. Yeah. And if you want to put free only, you can do. Yeah. So if you want, we'll put free only. No, for the sake of this video, anyway, it doesn't matter that you can. So you can do it. So anyway. All I've done here is over on at the home you can search for what kind of template you want. So you can like do book covers, you can do books, you can do A4, you can do 8.5 by 11, you can name it. You can do Instagram, TikTok, different sizes, right? But what I've done, yeah, without going around the block, I have typed in bookmarks and it lets you bring them. Gives you the sizes basically, which is this here, and all I've done then is I've gone to Elements, put a border around it, yeah. So as you can see, it's just a border. Just put it around it, yeah, so it stands out a little bit. You can do these any colour you want, but because it's Halloween, I'm keeping them black, right? So let's start doing these, yeah. So we can put well, let's get rid of that one. I can design these how you want, so I'm just going to put these in the like this in the corner here, yeah. We need a spider, don't we? Oh, here we go. One here. A bit smaller. Right. Delete that one. Let's have this one here. That's it. What I've done there, guys, is because this is a bit thick and it's more blacker. This one is. We're on that one here. It was dead faint. Yeah. What else can we have? Have a tree on it, yeah, let's have a tree. Don't have to have it fully in the picture. Not sure why the spiderwebs are the trees there, but yeah, that could be one. So all over here now is I've just read on the page, yeah. So what I'll do is do a couple more. Back to these ones, yeah. Then see that one's just like a plain black and white one, yeah. For Halloween, we can also have I don't know if that fits anyway. I don't fit that, is it? Let's go to photos. Let's type in Halloween, yeah. Not gonna snap into place. So what you might have to do, guys, is make it like that. But what I do then is put it at the back, yeah. So then it's behind the border kind of thing, and then we can have I don't know. could have that one as well. But this time, instead of having that there like that, we could have it like that. It does look a bit spooky, doesn't it? Just for the sake of this, make it bigger. Yeah, so you could have something like, oh no, a minute. Put it to the back, yeah. I know you can see that line, but this is just for the video. So you could have something like that. You could have yes, you just play with it, guys. That's all I do, yeah. Play with it. No, we don't. Suppose you could have that, and then and what you could do here. Let me just come off this. Suppose you could have something like that on it. Sort of break it up a bit. Maybe that little fun. Yeah. So that makes a match. Could have some bats on here. Could have seen like a group of bats. There they are. Yeah, makes it look a bit better, doesn't it? You can put some text on it as well, like Happy Halloween and stuff like that. Or you want to go down the route where you make colouring pages, guys. What do you class as graphics, are they? I'm not sure. You could have that on it and then change it to. Nope, you can't have that. Need the one with like a white border around it. So what I've done, I got some Halloween colouring stuff off of Creative Fabrica, but you can find them on Canva if you search for them quite a bit, and then you just play around, don't you? And then that's a bit. You want it so it's all lacking like thickness and that. We've already had a pumpkin. We might as well put a pumpkin on. So that's in the middle now. And then we've got one more pumpkin. You can. This one. Yeah, and then they can colour these in, guys. Yeah, you want to make it a bit bigger. Like the bigger you make it, the thicker the line will go. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. And yeah, and that's how easy it is, guys. Yeah, and then what you do then, you print them off, and then you sell them on Etsy, guys. Look, here's one I found earlier. They just made 4 simple Halloween colouring ones. Yeah, and just play around. Look, pumpkin ones. Yeah. Just put a few things in the background so you get rid of like all this white stuff. You can put like little stars or little whatever you want, guys. You can make it. Yeah, you can do it yourself, right? And they're only selling for like cheap. If you look down here, Halloween colouring bookmarks page, yeah, Halloween colouring bookmarks page, Halloween colouring bookmark page. These are selling, guys. People are loving these. Yeah. It's just showing you what they are. They've coloured that one in just to give you like an example. And then what you can do, you download them and you sell them on Etsy. And that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will be back with more printable ideas to sell on Etsy. So thanks very much.